Okay, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to tell you the exact reason why eBay does the things they do and why they're cracking down on customer service. I'm going to tell you the exact reason why people are getting banned. People are then they're refusing to take stuff off of your account. I'm going to tell you exactly why they're doing that right now. In the meanwhile, check all my links down in the description down below the video. I have a bunch of links. I'm an affiliate for Temu and a bunch of other stuff down there. So check it out for support of the channel and give me a like and subscribe. And I couldn't film the other part of the video because Lena was in it and she wanted to be in the video. But see, everybody, it's Lena Lou. She's my puppy. So I did a video on YouTube about Temu, and I'm not a big channel. I'm a small channel, like compared to other people. And I did a video, and I had like part of the video, I'm gonna link it like right here. I'll show you like a few things, and you can go watch it. I'm also gonna link it in this video. I'm gonna try to link it towards the end of the video, so go watch it there. But I ordered like some shipping supplies off Temu, and I'm like the best or the cheapest shipping supplies on Temu ever. And I got like some okay shipping supplies, some good shipping supplies. Then I got some really bad shipping supplies. And believe it or not, I'm going to link these messages right here, up here. Temu reached out to me from that video and was offering to make it right. And I said, no, I'm good, thanks. Don't worry about it. I don't want that because I'm, obviously I don't want special treatment. And they said, no, you're not getting special treatment. It's about the customer experience. So this is where things start to get really tricky for eBay. I mean, there is a lot of other platforms out there that are influencing customer experience. We want you to have a good customer experience on our platform, and we want you to come back over and over again. I'm very familiar with this because when I worked for Target, I was an executive over loss prevention with Target. I was an ETL AP at Target, and they were always promoting guest experience, guest experience, guest experience. And that's why they were beating Walmart. They were beating all the big brand stores because they had guest experience. And that's what I'm doing in my eBay store. It's guest experience all the way. You want that shipping combined? You got it. That's what you got to do. And I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to make this prediction. eBay is pushing bad sellers out. They are pushing bad sellers out. They are getting them out. All the calculated shipping bullcrap. That's why they're doing that. It's all the older time sellers they're trying to push out because they want people that are going to ship in 1 day. They don't want 3-day handling. They don't want 4-day handling. They are going to compete with all these platforms because they have to. They don't have a choice, or they go bankrupt. Because Temu is reaching out to me on a freaking YouTube video over some stupid $5 boxes. I paid $5 for those boxes, and they are reaching out to me to make it right. That blows my freaking mind completely off my head. And I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. What's going to happen is the smaller sellers are going to be pushed completely out, because they're not going to be able to compete. Because what's going to happen is promoted listings is going to be king on eBay. It already is king on eBay. Okay, and you're going to promote it 15%. I'm promoting it 15%. I don't know what you guys are promoting at, but it's probably around there because all the other categories are increasing at a phenomenal rate for promoted listings. And so what that's going to mean is you're going to have to be volume only. Like, you're going to have to play the volume game. You're going to have to play like big sales, small sales. Like, you're going to have to sell your ass off. Like, literally. Because the fees are going to eat you alive. Shipping's going to eat you alive. Everything's going to eat you alive. And it's going to be either go big or go home, which I'm trying to go big. But I'm telling you, it is a ton of work, and it is a grind like you would never believe. A 9-to-5 job is like 100 times easier than this. So the object to eBay never changes. List as many items as possible. Obviously, you see I list a lot. It's also look at sell-through rates. Look and see what's going to sell 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 2 months from now, a year from now. Literally, eBay is changing, but also it's squeezing the smaller sellers out. So the only way to really survive is to be a bigger seller. And that's what I have created, really. When I was selling on Amazon, I sold on Amazon for 6 years, 7 years, and I literally went stone cold from Amazon straight to eBay, and I started just listing my brains out. And that's literally what you have to do. We had 15 orders go out today. We're hoping to have 15 to 20 tomorrow, but we're lacking a little bit less on that. But literally, what you have to realize is eBay's changing into more of an Amazon type thing because they have to. So like, look at the email that Temu sent me. The email that Temu sent me, they were going to make it right and just give me a refund. Like, we are going to have to change our business models drastically to compete with that, and eBay is going to have to change theirs. That's why you see this change of they're being so strict on sellers. They only want the best sellers now, because now is the time that matters. So they want the best of the best, and if you're not the best of the best, you might not make the cut. So my take on this is literally simple. You have to list a lot. You have to grind. Reselling is a super big grind. It's not easy. It's not going to happen overnight, and you need a lot of listings. There's different models. You got to choose what model you want to actually work with. I have to where I'm an everything seller. I'm listing everything, and I'm going for the biggest store, the better. I like clothing. I like women's clothing. I like men's clothing. I like it all, right? Okay, so you got to know what you're working with. If you're working with a closet, then you need like something different. You know, you need a model where you're turning over your inventory instantly. You know, you need a model where your sell-through is way higher than what my sell-through is, because I might have items for 4 to 5 months, but I don't cross-post either. I'm highly against cross-posting, so I don't do any of that. So what you got to look at is like all these other websites is stepping their game up. Temu is stepping their game up, and there are good stuff off Temu. I ordered literally $20 in men's shorts. They are the softest and nicest men's shorts I've ever worn, and they were the cheapest. So Temu has good product, okay? Don't say it's all junk. No, they have good product on some things, okay? And their shipping is a little crappy, but here's the thing is they give you $5 for every shipment that's delayed. So you basically get free $5 on almost every shipment, because it's always delayed. So they have so much crap, and it's like they're almost giving it away for free. But I don't know the whole process, but I'm telling you, Temu is stepping up something fierce, and they actually have high-end items on their site already. So eBay is just stepping it up in competition along with their competition. So we got to step it up as sellers. And if you don't do that, you're probably not going to be an eBay seller. This is what you have to know. This is what I'm telling you. I am not going to tell you a lie or a fairy tale.